What's up, my baby daddies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hair review. This one is from Evaswigs. They asked me to do a review for them, and as I told you guys recently, I haven't been able to actually make wigs anymore. So now the reviews I'm going to be doing for companies are going to be on actual wig units, which might be a lot easier for you and for me. Let's go ahead and get into this. Oh wait, inside of the box it looks like this. I almost showed you guys my whole address. This is the wig. It comes with a comb that you can hang in your shower. It comes with the cap, and this one is in the brown or like beige color. And then it comes with a set of bobby pins and a manual and some elastic. With this wig that I have on my head, like, I think I cut it wrong, something. I'm really trying to get into this whole like wigs wearing scenario. I don't necessarily know how it works. Obviously I've been wearing wigs for so long, but the whole like 360, the frontals and stuff like that, laying down baby hairs and things like that, that come along with wearing full wigs. Like if you're wearing full wigs, you're gonna have to deal with the whole frontal situation. Unless, like another wig that I have that I really like, it only is like 6x6, a 6x6 closure. They make it like that so you don't have to worry about laying down your frontal and blah blah blah. But if you are gonna be doing the full frontal wig, you're gonna have to get into some practicing, okay, baby girl? Now, this is my first time trying kinky hair. I'm getting more into like, you know, black girl hairstyles and stuff like that. And like if I want my hair to look fake, at least let it look like black girl fake. But I don't know. I don't know. I like all types of hair textures, you know what I'm saying? The reason why I'm wearing wigs is because I don't want to maintain my kinky hair. I'm about to go and get some more kinky hair that I can't maintain. But but this hair though is so soft. It's thick. And the parting space goes all the way back. Even though on the front, it only looks like it goes to like right here. This parting space goes all the way back. I'm so hyped. Yo, I don't even have words. Excuse me. It's so lightweight. Oh, I'm so happy I got this before vacation. Okay, little Miss Eva. I like to make my own wigs is because I like to have my hair to look big like this and full. Like whenever they make the wigs for you, they never can get it to look this full. But because the hair kinky and kinky hair defy gravity, bitch. I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about this. Cause I'm so hype about this. Oh my god. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna like cut it and I'm gonna try and style it and blah 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 blah. I'm thinking about taking this to like a stylist because I don't want to mess it up. I'm thinking about taking this to to somebody. I feel like taking this to somebody who knows what they're doing. Or just look up some YouTube videos. But neither here nor is it there. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about it. It says Indian human hair. Hair length is 24 inches. Color natural black. Kinky straight. 150 density. Medium brown lace. The lace part line is 6 inches. And the hairline is pre-pucked. And then it says that the wig cap is average sized. Which it can't be true because girl, I got a big old head. Yeah, y'all, I shaved off my edges. But they growing back though. Y'all wanna see? They growing back though. So yeah, I'm bald edges. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm gonna style this wig right now just because I'm too excited for it. You guys know normally I will wait and wear the wig and do all that stuff before I do all this stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and style it now, and then if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. If it does, then I'll just slide this in the video. This is what it looked like after I put my foundation on it. I don't put that much because once you spray it down, you can't really tell.
Coffee house. Steady even further up. Industry, my mind just getting older. Notice the method, avoiding the derogatory. story. Moving up the capital, hoping you concur. Agree upon ideas, then this meeting is adjourned. Time to head home, driving, bumping on the currency. Shawty on my side, she hitting up that vapor. Smoking Cheshire, man, you know that.
I just did a few curls off camera. This hair is pretty full, so I don't know if I should give myself layers, but these curls, the way this hair is holding these curls is crazy. It's just gliding through this shit. And this is the Remington straightener. I bought a straightener a while back that I hated, so I went to Target and I bought this Remington straightener, and it has been giving me so much life. Boom. All right, so as you can see, I've curled the whole jump width, and this is what it looks like. I don't know what the back looks like. Only you do. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to cutting. I'm gonna start by brushing it out so I can see how it looks, like how the curls look. That's so pretty. Woo! Okay, let's get these layers popping. From the center part, I cut like a triangle like this, so it would look like this. You see how it's kind of like at a diagonal? I'll get that amount and I will cut this. I normally start from my nose and I pull the hair back as I cut. And that's how I make a bang. Then I do another triangle, but this one's gonna be a bigger triangle, less amount of hair. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. And we start from where this ends. So it starts up here, but the end of that layer ends right here. So we start from where that end of that layer starts, and we do the same thing. And we go all the way back. So this time we only got that much hair. We're gonna do it one more time. So now we're at the bottom, and that layer ends right here. So we're just gonna start from there. So, and that's all we got on the last one. So in total, 3 layers, and then you can kind of see the difference that it makes. So if you're looking for this look where it is just nice and wavy, you can get curls that look like this, fine. But if you're looking for the big voluminous hair, then you have to cut layers. So it's cute either way. Para this and grab the piece behind the first layer and do the same thing. Tie up with my nose. That gives you the illusion of having like different length bundles inside of the wig, you know? With this side, since it's a little harder to cut, we gotta be a lot more careful. Ta-da! Yes, all of that hair. So I'm gonna use this comb and I'm just gonna comb it through. Kind of tame it a little. We could take off our edge scarf and see what happened. Now the last step is going to be to get this part, make this part nice and visible. With high heat, we're gonna lay the part and then we're gonna pluck it. that's how much I took out from the part. But I think I need to take out some more. Take my foundation color and I'm gonna mess up that wig. No. Oh my god. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna rock it. I'll come back in the month and let y'all know how I feel about it. I'll come back in the month. I'll be back. This shedding is a no-no though. But hopefully that's the end of that, okay? Excuse me, sir. Don't talk to me. Get your bread up. Alrighty now. I'm about to go pack. I got somewhere to be. I'll talk to you guys later. Excuse me. Evaswigs. I'm obsessed. I love that. Oh, I love that. I love all of it. It's all good. It's all really good. Let me see the lengths. Oh, see, that side's much longer. How does it look?
God put a smile on my face. God put the smile on my face. God give me style, God give me grace. God give me style, God give me grace. God put a smile on my face. God put the smile on my face. God make me shine like the sun. God make me shine like the sun. Sometimes I feel like I'm the one. Sometimes I feel like it ain't my fault.